Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can link your contacts and follow them, which means all people you have on your phone will be suggested for you on Instagram. It's simple. Simply start by opening Instagram. Then go on the menu button. Then after getting this results, simply click on the top right corner. Then go on settings. Then go on click on follow and inviting friends. Then as you can see we have the option to follow our contacts, so now give it permission. By clicking on allow access. Then give Instagram permission to use your contacts, and now as you can see contacts has been connected with your Instagram. So from now you will be getting your contacts suggestions on Instagram. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.